Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to connect any Poco phone to your Windows laptop. So in today's video I'm using a Poco C75. Now to connect your Poco phone to your Windows laptop, you'll have to use a USB Type-C to Type A cable and connect one end of the cable to your Windows laptop and connect the other end to your smartphone. Just like that. Now from here, just open this PC on your laptop. Now as you can see, it detected our smartphone, the Poco C75. Now from here, just go back to your smartphone and open the notifications shed. Now from here, just tap on charging this device. Now from here, just select file transfer. Now once you have done that, just go back to your Windows laptop and open the Poco C75 folder. Now from here, double tap on internal storage. Now from here, you can copy any data from your Windows laptop to your smartphone. Now from here, I will copy this image to our Poco C75. Now from here, just double tap on the pictures folder. Now from here, just paste the copied image. Just like that. Now from here, as you can see, we have successfully transferred this file to our smartphone. Now let's check if this image has been transferred to our smartphone. Now let's come back to our smartphone and let's open the gallery app. Now from here, now as you can see, we have successfully transferred data from our Windows laptop to our Poco C75. And this is how you can connect any Poco smartphone to your Windows laptop. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.